Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup like KFC. Begin by cleaning and slicing mushrooms, then sweat onions in butter until soft and fragrant. Sprinkle flour and cook briefly to form a roux, then slowly whisk in warm chicken stock to avoid lumps. Simmer until mushrooms are tender, blend partially for texture, stir in cream, and adjust salt and pepper to taste for a silky, comforting bowl. For best texture, sauté mushrooms and onions until they brown and release liquids, creating a deep flavor base. Add a measured amount of flour and stir well to form a light roux that will thicken the soup naturally. Pour in warm chicken stock in a steady stream while whisking to keep the mixture smooth. Simmer gently to meld flavors, then finish with cream and a quick blend for a balanced, restaurant-style consistency. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is great for keeping your car fresh when you're hauling groceries or taking soup home, and it pairs humorously with late-night cooking runs. Check the description for the link and other deals where available, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Finish the soup by choosing your preferred texture. Pulse a blender for some body or fully puree for ultra smoothness. Remove from heat before stirring in heavy cream to keep it silky and prevent separation. Taste and correct seasoning with salt and freshly ground pepper, and add a small splash of soy sauce or Worcestershire for deeper umami notes. Garnish with a drizzle of cream and chopped herbs to serve a comforting bowl reminiscent of KFC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.